Hello everyone. The plane is ready. Tell me what to note. This is the first section of the host, and then the gasket, yellow color. This is PETG. As long as it has color, the PETG aircraft. Other grays and this black are PLA+. All gaskets are high temperature resistant in these places, so use PETG to print. And this screw is also PETG. Then the carbon rod is assembled. Look at the entire body, including the nose. I've assembled. This red color is a gasket. When you want to change the head, you can remove it. If you don't change it, you don't need to dismantle it. These things don't need to be removed. You see, including this spring cover. 3D printed plane, lighter when you make it. Be lighter, because it is 3D printed. Look at it slightly, lift it and push it forward. Then he got up. Seen or not? All 1 and 2 sections are glued. All of these are 3D printed pieces. If you don't need to worry about white color printing, you can do it, as long as there are gaps. I've made up all of them. It's just made up with glue. You look at 1 section, 2 sections, 3 sections, and then you look at the snaps of the spring. Just insert it here, including the panel. Battery ties panels. I've stuck it too. Then your battery is here. Just tie it up with a tie. There is no problem with the other side. This is the front cover. Insert it in like this, then gently thrust it. Just lock it up. The same goes for the back cover. Look, pull it gently. You see, this is convenient for you to adjust the parameters. Used for wiring. This is the back cover. Same, insert it, lighter, because it's too thin. Then that's it, and then lock it up. Okay, for this plane. Look at the front body, the entire front body is ready. 1 section, 2 sections, 3 sections, all the things inside are assembled. Sticky. This is how it looks like in the whole, including the wings. You take a look. I printed the hinge too. The hardest thing this plane does to do is this hinge. Because you need to use TPU, you need glue and stick it in layer by layer. Then install the servo directly. This is the servo compartment. I'll show you the demonstration. This is the left side. I've installed this bin cover. The hinge has been printed as well. All parts are assembled. This is very troublesome to do, because it takes too much time. All are handmade. If the servo is stuck inside, because of this plane, it does not design the so-called screw holes for this servo installation. You can stick it on wherever you are suitable. The pull rod is pulled here. Then the servo arm is exposed and pull the pull rod. I should understand it after playing with fixed wings. Just a demonstration and show it to everyone. I'll install the cover later. Next. Section 1, Step 1, the first layer of the host. I didn't stick to this layer. You have to glue it yourself, and you have to stick it here. You want to stick here. Okay, what do you want to do in the first step? Insert this cover plate, yellow to yellow, and gasket to gasket. After inserting, turn on this, look at this host. It is equipped with this 3D printed screw. It also comes with this nut. It means that after inserting these two, lock it with this screw. In fact, it forms a definition of quick disassembly, right? Your wing can be removed quickly. Look, the little one is facing inside. The big one is outside. Twisted with your hands. See, screws. Just screw it in like this and tighten it. But I personally suggest that what will happen if we play as play. We don't use these 4 screws. We can just apply glue on the yellow gasket and stick it firmly. Why? Because the designer designed the plane. I think he designed this thing very well. If the entire aircraft is load-bearing with these 4 screws, I don't think it's solid, but it's okay for you to do this. Is it inserting these 2 sections? Then tighten the 4 screws and the host is fixed. My suggestion is to apply glue here and stick it firmly on both sides. If you stick firmly, you will be very steadily. After being firmly glued, you can do whatever you want. You can throw it away. Usually it won't be used. These 2 sections are fixed. Next, look at the host. I'll use the left to demonstrate. Hole to hole, 2 such 60mm carbon rods on each side. I have 4 of them. The size of the carbon rods has been cut. Just put it in. Then align the large hole and insert it into it. Look, you put it in. Squeeze your hands tightly. Glue it up. It's to stick tight here. Glue is needed here. It is to stick it firmly. Sticky. Just stick it firmly. Pinch both sides tightly. Just stick it up. It is best to be more powerful when sticking, but you have to use skill. Don't pinch it, because the material is very crisp. Although the accuracy is high, it is crisp. After sticking, there is a thin gap like this here. If this is the case, every aircraft has it, because the drawings are destined to be impossible to fit the inside. I personally recommend not dealing with this issue. If you want to deal with it, you can use tape. Wrap it around this gap twice. I watched his video, he made it with foamy materials. Punch this pit and dig it. Then he wrapped the acetic acid tape twice and sprayed it with paint. My personal suggestion is not necessary, we just stick it firmly. Just stick to death. I usually don't deal with it. Every plane is just as good. You do this on the left. The same operation is done on the right. Exactly the same. All the hinges are done. Just bond the bonded parts. Insert the same way. Just align the holes. All are done. Continue applying glue. After being firmly glued, there are gaps. You can use glue to fix it from the inside. If you don't add glue, wrap 2 circles of tape as well. You can also spray paint. Later, the same is true, you look at 1 section or 2 sections. I've all been glued, including motor base. I also installed hot melt nuts. When you install the motor, remove the 4 screws. Then install the motor. Then install the rack and you'll do it. Apply glue here. Align edges. Just stick firmly for 5 to 10 seconds. Must align. Be careful. What's the last step? The tail wing. I've made the tail wing and the hinge has been punched. All stick together. GPU's hinge also consumes you. Good. 4 small carbon rods. Insert them and fix them. It's just for fixed use. I use the right to make a demonstration. You just apply glue on the upper part, not paint it here. If the direction of the glue is stuck to death, if you can't move, your wings will be ruined. Apply glue only in the first half. After applying glue, here is an edge alignment and gently pinch it. 5 to 10 seconds. It's okay. Then I have 4 new stops, and I will give you that time. Then if you fly, you think it's like this. For example, offset printing, you don't have to worry about these things. This is for example, if he has this kind of thread stitching pattern. Just use glue to replenish it. You can make up for it yourself. Everything can be replenished. What are your problems? Just contact me. If you receive the next steps, there are no other steps. Turn it around. Take a look. That's it. It's very beautiful. Anyway, these places are lighter, and all places are lighter. 3D, fly a plane. Okay, just lock it up. Look at the whole machine. Look handsome. That's it. There is no problem with anything else. Thank you for watching. Friends who like it, click to follow. Thanks.